Hello everybody, welcome to my cooking journal. My name is Mario. Today we're going to prepare an amazing sandwich. It's a very typical and traditional breakfast here in Peru, especially in the coast, and it's made out of pork and you're gonna try it. It's incredible. Let's start with the recipe. We will use half a kilo of pork, half a cup of mint leaves, 1 sliced medium-sized onion, few limes, 1 chili to make it spicy. If you don't like it, you can just avoid it. 1 sweet potato, and bread. We're going to boil the pork in water with salt, and we'll add a couple of mint leaves. The flavor is really good, believe me. When the pork is done, we'll put it apart for now. Don't throw the water, it is pork stock, you can use it later. Then we will have a pot with a good amount of oil, and we're going to start frying the sweet potato. It takes a little bit less time than regular potatoes. Then in the same oil we will fry the pork. Remember that it is already cooked, so we just need to make it crunchy. Before we start preparing the sandwich, we're going to make an onion salad. Here in Peru it's called salsa criolla. We'll mix the onions, the chili, the mint, some lime juice, salt and pepper. Now it's time for the sandwich. We put the sweet potato, the pork and the salsa criolla. Now it's time to enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe and leave your comments below. Let us know if you like the recipe. Until next week.